Garlic powder and granulated garlic are great things to have in your pantry. But what if I told you that a simple kitchen project will be your secret weapon in producing amazing food? You can have wonderful garlic bread, amazing roasted garlic mashed potatoes, fantastic soups and stews. Look how easy it is to turn into some garlic paste that you can use. Mix it in with your ramen broth, toss it with some pasta, really pump up your red sauce, and wherever your imagination will take you. The project we're doing today, if I was being a fancy chef bro, would be called garlic confit, but that's just a culinary school way of saying roasted garlic stored in oil. Okay, so I have here a big bowl of peeled garlic. You can get a bunch of bulbs of garlic and it would be a fantastic meditative project to peel them while you watch a movie or something. But if you are fortunate, you can also buy peeled garlic in a bag. I got this from a Costco business center. You can try a restaurant supply company in town. If there's a produce company that sells to grocery stores and restaurants, you can also try to obtain the garlic from them. Otherwise, you can watch a movie and peel the garlic. So I have my oven preheating right now, but let's talk about oil. What I recommend is a neutral flavored oil that's going to really let the flavor of the garlic shine through. In addition to that, I would recommend using an oil that does not solidify in cooler temperatures because you're going to be storing this in the fridge. So if you're using coconut oil or olive oil, it's not going to work. I have here canola oil and that works just fine. If there's another neutral oil you prefer, go ahead. So for a cooking vessel, use whatever works in the oven. You can use a cast iron pan, you can use a baking dish. Here I got a little loaf pan. And now we play the waiting game. Oh, it smells so good. Oh yeah. Look at this beautiful garlic. Nice and bubbly. So I set this aside and allowed it to cool for a little bit, and now my house smells like beautiful roasted garlic. I'm gonna transfer all this stuff to a jar. Once I do that, I can keep it in the fridge and I can use it whenever I want. This project is a great twofer because you get some amazing infused garlic oil that you can use in so many of your recipes.